sports.
Morning. Thank you so much for joining us on this Saturday. It's August 26th. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Eric Gage is over in the Weather Center. I want to say this is the last Saturday of the month. Next Saturday, September already, isn't it?
I can't believe that summer's flying by. It's already September. The summer is, well, it's winding down at least.
It's not gone.
It's not gone. I don't want to say it's gone just yet.
No,
So
meteorologist says no.
yeah, I'll say no for now. And it's been a somewhat of a dry morning, mostly cloudy skies, humid out though, with dew points in the mid-60s, and temperatures today warming up into the mid-70s with a spotty shower or storm from an approaching cold front to the north. We can see some of those showers slowly starting to approach just north of Watertown right now. So not a completely dry day, but not a complete washout either. Just a chance for some rain showers in the mid-afternoon to mid-evening. So again, mostly cloudy start. Could see some sunshine peeking through some of the clouds this morning as well. Again, spotty showers drying out tonight with some patchy fog. And also looking at a nice day tomorrow with partly sunny skies and again possibly a stray shower but low humidity. But again today highs in the mid-70s with a passing shower. Go into more detail on what to expect for the weekend forecast coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Eric.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. Mostly cloudy skies this morning with humid conditions. However, humidity will slowly lower this afternoon from an approaching cold front, and with that too a chance for a stray shower though. But first, here's a look at our Oneonta camera that's back up and running, and a look at the City of the Hills. Sunshine peeking out to the southern valleys at this point. And a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 top of the radar. We are currently dry across central New York as of 9:15. However, looking up to the north of Watertown, we are looking at an approaching cold front that will not to be expected to produce any severe weather, but still a stray shower or maybe a rumble of thunder in the North Country possible as we head in the middle of this afternoon and this evening. So, look at your weekend forecast. Again, a brief shower possible today with highs in the mid-70s. Sunshine peeking out throughout the afternoon and evening, both before and behind that front. For Sunday, though, looking more dry with lower humidity and temperatures again in the mid-70s. So definitely a much nicer day tomorrow to plan outdoor activities. And regarding the rainfall outlook over the next couple of days, still a low but non-zero chance for a shower, especially east for Sunday, but still very nice weather. Completely dry for Monday, possibly the nicest of the next 4 days. However, rain chances do increase come Tuesday and into Wednesday, as we're looking at least more unsettled weather arriving by the middle of this coming week. And again, look at that humidity outlook. Muggy conditions this morning with dew points in the mid-60s. Humidity drops for Sunday and into Monday, but slowly starts to return as we approach Tuesday of this coming week. Radar and satellite shows an approaching cold front producing a spotty shower or storm. But behind that, though, high pressure will bring us mostly quiet weather for at least the next couple of days. So our skycast, again, sunshine peeking out, a stray shower or storm this afternoon. This evening, temperatures in the low to mid-70s, cooling down into the upper 50s to low 60s with patchy fog developing by early Sunday morning. However, sunshine peaks out once more Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening with highs approaching the mid-70s. So again for today, highs in the mid-70s, a passing shower or storm tonight. Cool with some patchy fog, lows down in the mid-60s. Our 7-day forecast, we have nice weather returning for Sunday and Monday. Rain showers possible Tuesday and Wednesday, but looking at the long-term forecast, a possible return to summer with Thursday and Friday looking at sunshine lingering into this coming weekend. And our trivia question, the first ever American football match in 1869 used the rules of which existing sport?
Had to be rugby, B.
You gonna lock it in?
Yeah, why not?
It was soccer. And when I first read up about this, it was insane.
Way.
They didn't actually adopt the rules of rugby or more football rules until like several years later. So they played it almost like an actual soccer game And then what they did is they invented what's called the flying wedge. They would just get a bunch of people in a line, and they would just push through the pile.
Wedge?
It was called a flying wedge, and apparently it was very dangerous. So, but I guess that's where the offensive line, when you look at football,
kidding.
I think that's where that line came from, was that formation.
Flying wedge from the original football.
Yeah, it looks very, you can see not a lot of rules in that picture, so.
I love it. I love every little piece of information that you feed us with your trivia questions, Eric.
I try.
Let's get to modern day football now, right? So, high school football, and welcome back, and thank you so much for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith. I want to get you right over to the Weather Center with meteorologist Eric Gage, who's tracking the tropics right now because, it's kind of a lull right here. We have a cold front and some cooler temperatures, so we don't want to talk about that.
Yeah, they're pretty active for now, and only just because I know some of us here, we know friends and family in Florida and out around the country. So I want to give you guys a heads up about something that's going on in Florida within the next couple of days. It hasn't formed yet, so we can't put a specific path on this, but there is broad rotation with a possible tropical depression that could form into a tropical storm. And the path of this could move as far to the west as the very western portion of the Florida Panhandle, but it also could hook east into the Tampa Bay area, as well as even as far south as Fort Myers. This has about a 90% chance of forming by the 29th to 30th. So this is coming this coming month. And I'll look at it more tomorrow as well, but again, if you know anyone in the area, let them look at local forecasts in Florida to see any updated information on the formation of that tropical system. Now here locally, things are pretty quiet with mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the upper 60s with still humid conditions. Humidity will slowly lower this weekend as an approaching cold front from the northwest will put a break in that humidity. But again, today, a passing shower, nothing in terms of a complete washout, with still some sunshine peeking out as well, with highs in the mid-70s. We'll also have a nicer day expected for tomorrow, going that full forecast coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Eric. As Utica School Superintendent,
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Well, here we are, the final weekend of August. Next weekend will be September, and for the most part, this August has been, at least from what we've been experiencing, somewhat rainy, a bit cold, but summer's not out of the picture just yet, at least for the end of this coming week. First, though, got to get through some spotty showers this afternoon with some clouds you can see right here currently on our New York Mesonet camera network. Some clouds making way for some sunshine, and things are dry at this point on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but taking our attention to the north and to the west, we can see a very faint line of a cold front arriving just north of Watertown right here. It's sweeping right over Lake Ontario at this point. This will sweep down, produce a brief shower, maybe rumble of thunder in the North Country, but for most of us, nothing major in terms of rainfall. And again, for the weekend forecast, a brief shower today. Humidity will slowly lower following this front. I know it's been feeling very humid, at least yesterday and at least this morning, with temperatures in the mid-70s. Tomorrow, similar weather with temperatures in the mid-70s with more sunny conditions. And on top of that, lower humidity as well with dew points in the low 50s. And looking at a rainfall outlook for the next couple of days, possible showers today from that approaching cold front. A low but non-zero chance for rain, especially east of our area for Sunday. Things looking mostly, if not entirely, dry for Monday, but rain chances return once more into Tuesday. And still that humidity will be lowering for Sunday, lingering with comfy conditions for Monday as well, but humidity will start to return again this coming Tuesday. And so again, the bigger picture, this cold front approaching from the northwest, pushing through our New York State today. Behind that, high pressure, which will bring quiet and very nice weather to our area for Sunday and Monday. So again, our Skycast, still seeing that cold front sweep through. By this evening, temperatures in the mid-70s with breezy conditions and decreasing clouds. Overnight tonight, patchy fog develops in the valleys with lows down into the upper 50s to low 60s. And then clouds clear once more by Sunday afternoon with low humidity and plenty of sunshine with temperatures climbing up into the mid-70s. Heading into Monday, early Monday morning, lows down into the upper 40s to low 50s. A cool night with plenty of sunshine by Monday afternoon with approaching rain and possible clouds by the evening. So again for today, highs in the mid-70s, a passing shower tonight. Patchy fog, cool conditions, lows down into the mid-50s. Our 7-day forecast, nice weather expected for your Sunday as well as Monday. Rain showers return for Tuesday and Wednesday with sunshine returning again for Thursday and Friday and possibly lingering on into next weekend. And our trivia question, charcuterie boards were originally invented to preserve high quality meats. And I'll give you a hint, one word here is incorrect. So I want to...
Oh, there's an incorrect word.
What word would it be?
Charcuterie, spelled right, board.
Well, not spelled right, but what would you replace?
Oh, maybe not high quality meats. Maybe it's low quality meats.
You're right, low quality meats. I guess it was born out of practicality. So after all the good meats were taken out of, at least from the butchers, they experimented ways to preserve the at least the ones that people don't really want to, less desirable parts like organs and stuff. And then, yeah, I know, but.
So that's what you're eating when you eat that trendy charcuterie board. Yeah, you never see a filet mignon on a charcuterie board.
Yeah, you're right. I've never seen one too.
They don't preserve that.
No filet mignon, no salmon, no New York strip steak. So
no, the good cuts are you eat those normally, and then the charcuterie board is what do they do to it?
They preserve it. They put salt. What do you mean?
Do you know how to do it? How do they preserve it?
I couldn't tell you.
Fermented,
Well, yeah,
right?
fermented, yeah. So.
Eric was going down the rabbit hole on charcuterie boards earlier, so I wanted to question him a little bit about it.
Putting him on the spot.
Speaking of charcuterie boards, there is a game that's out.
And now for a first look at the forecast tonight at 6 with meteorologist Eric Gage. Absolutely beautiful day out there today, Eric. Just couldn't ask for a better day.
Yeah, well, the good news is it gets better tomorrow with lower humidity.
Yeah.
Now, not everyone has seen the nice weather today. We do have some spotty showers coming in from the north.
You know, it's funny you mentioned that. I talked to my mom in Glens Falls earlier today, and she said it was raining on and off and extremely humid today. So it's funny how just a few miles, you know.
North Country rainy, Southern Valleys sunny.
Yeah.
Yep, and that's pretty much the story for today. Temperatures currently in the low 70s with still humid conditions, but again, that will change tomorrow as a cold front will slowly move through central New York. You can actually see it right here in the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 dot for the radar. Again, rain showers, nothing widespread, a few spotty here and there as they continue their way to the south. Behind these showers, though, we're looking at more quiet weather with plenty of sunshine and low humidity for your Sunday. But again, this evening, looking at a stray shower possible. Other than that, mostly dry conditions, temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. Again, the humidity does come to an end and stays away at least for the next couple of days. I'll go into more detail on the humidity plus rainfall chances over the next couple of days coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Erica. Back to school backpack giveaway.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. It's been a humid and sunny day across the area. However, in the North Country, a different story with some scattered showers. Old Forge picking up almost ½ inch of rain. However, here in Utica, from our Nexus camera, blue skies, some passing clouds, a brief shower as a cold front from the north will continue to weaken. Rain chances will also lower throughout the afternoon. Here's a look at the broad area of rain showers again. Hit or miss spotty showers this evening. Behind that, though, looking at less humid weather from the north, making way for nice weather for tomorrow. And looking at our rainfall chances, at least for tonight, besides that passing front, things look very dry heading into tonight, into early tomorrow morning, lasting throughout Sunday night and into Monday. So looking at a very nice and dry stretch of weather for the near term. In fact, great weather to head out to the New York State Fair tomorrow. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s, just absolutely beautiful weather with low humidity and plenty of sunshine with a decent breeze of 5 to 10 miles per hour. And low humidity for the most part sticks around. We do have comfy conditions for Sunday as well as Monday. Humidity picks up slowly for Tuesday, but by Wednesday morning, humidity gets whisked away once more and for the most part, an early taste of fall in terms of humidity for the next several days. The bigger picture, radar and satellite showing a weakening cold front moving across the northeast, heading into the southern portion of our viewing area at this point. And again, those rainfall chances as the front continues to weaken will continue to lower. In fact, most of you guys in southern valleys could luck out with not seeing a single drop of rain heading into tonight. So to our skycast, clear skies for the most part this evening into tonight for the southern valleys. Patchy fog developing for valley locations into early tomorrow morning, lows falling into the mid-50s. By tomorrow afternoon, the fog clears out, plenty of sunshine, temperatures climbing up into the mid-70s. Just fantastic weather for tomorrow. Easily a top 10 day due to the wind speeds, but still very nice weather. Tomorrow night, lows down into the upper 40s to low 50s. A cool start to your Monday. And for the most part, nice weather for the beginning and middle of Monday. However, as we approach sunset Monday evening, clouds increase as our next weather maker arrives. That'll set the stage for unsettled weather for Tuesday and Wednesday. So again, for tonight, lows down into the mid-50s with cool conditions and some patchy fog. Tomorrow, just absolutely fantastic weather, highs in the mid-70s with low humidity. Our 7-day forecast, besides some spotty showers returning Monday night, scattered showers and storms Tuesday, lingering AM rain for Wednesday with breezy conditions, but an overall dry pattern moves in, lasting between Thursday and into the majority of next weekend.
Our first look forecast tonight at 11 with meteorologist Eric Gage. Good evening, Eric.
Good evening, Ben. It's been a very warm stretch, at least humid stretch of weather for the near term, but as we get into tomorrow, humidity will be lowered. And looking at very nice weather for the New York State Fair. If you're looking to head out to enjoy the festivities there, temperatures in the low to mid 70s with again plentiful sunshine and low humidity. Now for the current conditions right now, the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we did see some spotty showers in North Country earlier on this afternoon. And as the front had pushed south, these showers have weakened. So for the most part, things are gradually quieting down. It will be an overall quiet night weather-wise. Temperatures are still in the mid-60s right now, but the big change right here is a dew point, falling from the mid-60s earlier on today down into the upper 50s right now, into the lower 50s. It'll be very comfortable conditions by tomorrow. But again, tonight, looking at quiet conditions, lows down in the mid-50s with patchy fog developing in those valley locations. Again, a little more detail what to expect for tomorrow, plus next week coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. New tonight.